Hello friends, in this video I will show how to upload full-size image in YouTube community for PC. No crop, no app. So without crop or without any third-party application, you can upload full-size image. Open your image. So easy way. Open your image in File Explorer. Now click these three dots. Then here click on Resize. Click on Define Custom. Make your desired one image size like 1080. Check this box. Then click on Save Resize Copy. Give different name and save it. So now as we can see, both image are same. This is the image which we resized. Now after that, try to again. This is your new one. Select it. Now click on Open. So as we can see, we have this full size image. Just post it. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. If you need more resolution, so again click here, open this image in File Explorer, resize, give high resolution, uncheck this one. Click on Save Resized Copy, give any name, save it, image and select from your computer. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.